Hello and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to solve the problem of you sending emails from your website, but it doesn't get to your recipient email inbox. So for example, when I send, this is my website. So let's say I send an email from this particular site and I am supposed to receive the email at the recipient inbox. The recipient is the email that is supposed to receive any message that comes from your website. Unfortunately, when I send a message and I go to the inbox, it does not come. So we are going to solve this problem. And this is with WordPress website. Now, the number one reason why this particular problem happens is that um, when you send the email and it doesn't go, it means that your the hosting provider for your website is not properly configured to receive the email. And so you have to solve that one with something we call an SMTP. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. So it is a plugin that we're going to use to solve the problem you are facing. So you come to under your plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Then you come here and type SMTP. Okay, so we have this. There are many SMTP plugins. This is one. This is another one. The one I want to use for now is a Fluent SMTP. So we click on Install Now. And then click on Activate. Now, in order to use this plugin to solve the problem, you will need a professional email for your website. If you don't have a professional email for your website, or associated with your domain name, then I will advise you to check a video I did earlier in the description of this video. So check the link in the description of this video to a video I did earlier on how to create a professional email for your website. Now, this is our Fluent SMTP plugin. So I'm going to settings. So here they are telling me I have another SMTP app or plugin available. So I should, if you read here, say we have detected other SMTP plugins available on your site. Click below to pre-populate the values. So for now, I'm not ready to use the values. So I'll just click on skip. Then it will ask me to choose one of these mail servers. So I'm going to choose other SMTP. Then they'll ask of the sender's email. So the sender's email is the email you're going to, the professional email associated with your domain name you're going to put in. So just put that one. This one. Then the host. So the details you put here will come from your hosting provider. And those are what is associated with your private or professional email settings. So this is how to access it. For most email service providers, if you go to the professional email settings in your web hosting, and then you will see something like this. They say this is the email I want to. You have several of them. This is the one I want to use. When you come, you see something like this, and you see some maybe some drop down menu. When you click on it, you will see an option that says webmail configuration settings. Okay, you will see it always around. So for this particular one, my information, that information does not show here, but if I come and type private email configuration mail client or settings for Namecheap, this is Namecheap I am using. So these are the info I need to for this particular setting, and I'll take you through step by step. You will understand how to get it. So the from email should be the professional email associated with the website. The name, you can put the website name there, or the sender name you want it to appear there. Then The SMTP host should be your website, the domain name. Okay. The SMTP port. If I come here, for example, you see outgoing server SMTP. So the SMTP is for the outgoing server. That means a message that is coming from your website is outgoing. It's leaving your website to when someone is sending, it's leaving your website. So that is the outgoing server. So you look for the SMTP port value that you have here, and normally it will be at 465. So you put that value there. Then you make sure that you turn this one will be none. So you turn it to SSL. Then leave these on. Then when you come here, you put your email username here. So you just put the email name. Okay. Then the password should be the password for that particular email. After that, you click on save settings. Save settings. Now you can try sending a test email to see if your settings are working. So you come and click on email. Then you click on send. So it says great, email delivered successfully. So you can go check your email inbox to confirm your message has been received. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. If you follow the procedure and your problem is still not solved, you can leave your comments in the comment section. Let me know and see how best I can help you. I also charge affordable prices to help you resolve your problems relating to WordPress, digital marketing, Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads. I also set effective ad campaigns. I also set Google Ads, and then I do web development. Any of these services, you can check the WhatsApp and the Telegram link in the description to contact us for help to get all these issues resolved. Thank you once again, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.